for watching over me. All of the sleepless nights you lay awake. Thank you for knowing when to hold me close, when to let me go. Thank you for every stepping stone, and for the path that always leads me home. Thank you for the time you took to see the heart inside of me. You gave me the rules to start this life, and then you gave me wings to fly. And I learned to dream because you believed in me. There's no power like it on this earth, no treasure equal to its worth. The gift of a mother's love.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Thank you for everything and we love you so much.
Happy Mother's Day po, Mommy. Thank you sa love and care. I love you so much.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day. I love you talaga, Mami.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na thank you sa love na binibigay mo. Thank you sa mga sacrifice. And also, thank you kasi nandiyan ka lagi para supportahan ako. And gusto ko sabihin sa'yo na lahat ng mga promises ko sa inyong dalawa ni Papa, itutuparin ko. Pagtatapos ako ng pag-aaral, mas gagalingan ko para maging proud kayo sa akin. And kasi gusto ko dadating ang araw na hindi mo na kailangan magtrabaho, na lahat ng gusto mo, lahat ng mga nangailangan nyo ay naibibigay ko. And yun lang, Ma. Happy Mother's Day.
Mother's Day.
Mami.
Mommy,
I love you so much.
I love you too much.
Mommy, I love you.
You gave me the rules to start this life, and then you gave me wings to fly. And I learned to dream because you believed in me. There's no power like it on this earth, no treasure equal